Hello, my name is Barath and I'm a part of the Circuit Breakers #13353FTC team. And today our topic is about the Vuforia and the webcam. And in today's tutorial, we're going to go over many topics. These topics overall include what is Vuforia in general, and why would we need to use a webcam in the first tech challenge, and how to obtain a Vuforia key to use in your Vuforia code with the webcam. What is Vuforia? Vuforia is an augmented reality software development kit for mobile devices that enables the creation of augmented reality applications. In FTC, we use Vuforia with the webcam to either detect objects on the game field or the navigation images. And in last year's field, you can see how there's a small ring here. There could either be one or four rings or no rings here. The robot had to it would be randomized at the start of each round, and our robot would have to detect how many rings are placed here. So the robot will know where to place the wobble go in one of these three locations. And this is an example where Vuforia could be really helpful for an FTC team. And also navigation images were placed here and here, right under the goal. This would help the teams find out the locations to shoot into the top goal, which the robot needs to be very precisely positioned, and they can use the navigation image to precisely place the robot as well. And for rookie teams starting out, I would recommend using the sample code that is in the FTC SDK, and this will help us out. In the next slide, I will take us to the actual FTC SDK, and I can show you how to get the code up and how to get it running with your robot. As you can see, now I'm in Android Studio, and I'm going to show you how to get to the sample code. So first, go to FTC Robot Controller, and then go to SRC, and go to Main, Java, and then org FTC Inspire, and open this, and then go to external samples, and then this will get all the sample code that you can use for your programming. But for us, we're going to need the following code called concept TensorFlow object detection webcam, and then copy this, and then paste it in your team code. Main Java first Inspire, paste. And then for me, I'm just going to refactor and overwrite since I've already done it. At this time of the video, I would recommend pausing and reading through the code and looking at the commented lines to understand the code more. This will help in the future when your team needs to specify the code for your robot. At the top, you can see how it talks about the ultimate core and the ring scanning part. And this is for last year's challenge. And every single year, you're going to need to update your SDK and the strings should change. This commented section is very important since it talks about how to obtain a Vuforia key, and the code wouldn't work without the Vuforia key that you're going to need to put here. And that's the main part of this video that I'm going to show you next. So basically, copy this URL right here and paste it into Google, and then I'll show you how to create an account. When you paste the link into Google, this is the screen that should pop up. Then you can click on login. And then it should ask you to type your email address and password. But if you don't have an account, you're going to have to create an account, and then you have to sign up. Alright. And then when you're logged in, you'll get to a screen like this that has two buttons, Get Development Key and Buy Development Key. For us, we're going to need to type Get Development Key. And we can name it anything. For now, I'm going to name it Example. And then you're going to check that box and confirm. And then you can see how it shows up on the list of the Vuforia keys I have active. And it was created today. And click on it. And then it should have the 380 characters that you're going to need to paste into your code. And you can just simply click on it and it'll be copied to your clipboard. And then you can switch your tab to the... When you're back at your code, you can copy and paste the 380 characters in this quotation marks. And your code should be set to scan these three objects. And to set up the webcam, you're going to first need to get an expansion hub and get the webcam and webcam's USB and plug it into the expansion hub's USB 3.0 port. I'll show you in the next slide. And as you can see in this image, this will be how you should set up your USB hub. This is a USB hub, and it should be plugged into your expansion hub to the 5-volt pop. And then also your webcam should go into this hub, and the robot controller will go into the expansion hub as well. If you set it up like this and run the code, it should be able to scan the wobble goal and the rings from last year. Thank you for watching this video on our basis of Vuforia and Webcam.